Namaskar. Today I will discuss the kineticals, kinematics of rigid body. In kinematics of rigid body from classical mechanics, we study Euler's theorem. Euler's theorem first show that the general displacement of a rigid body with one point fixed is the rotation about some axis passing through the fixed point. Proof: consider a rigid body with one point fixed and be taken as the origin of the body set of axes. Then the displacement of the rigid body involve no translations of the body axis. The only change in orientations. Hence, the body set of axes at any time t can always be obtained by a single rotation of the space set of axes. Thus, any vector lying along the axis of rotations must have the same component in both the initial and final axes. Further, the orthogonality conditions implies that the magnitude of a vector parallel to the axis of rotation is unaffected. It component in both the real and final axis. Further, the orthogonality conditions implies that the magnitude of a vector parallel to the axis of rotation is unaffected. It means that the vector r has same components in both the system. R dash is equal to ar is equal to r. This is the special case of more general equation r dash is equal to ar is equal to a bar r, where a bar is called the eigen characteristic value. Equation 2 can be written as a minus lambda r is equal to 0. The equation 3 can have solution only when a minus lambda, determinant of a minus lambda is equal to 0. This is known as the characteristic equation, and the roots of the equation 4 are known as characteristic values. Since the matrix of rotation A is orthogonal and they have A inverse is equal to A dash, where A dash is the transpose of A, this matrix, orthogonal matrix, satisfies the equation modulus of A is equal to modulus of A bar is equal to I. Now, to prove that the Euler's theorem, we just prove that eigen value lambda is equal to 1. Thus, consider the expression a minus lambda into a bar is equal to a into a bar minus I a bar is equal to a into a inverse minus a bar. A minus lambda a minus I into a bar is equal to I minus a bar. Taking the determinant of the equation 7, we get a minus I into a bar is equal to determinant of I minus a bar. Therefore, determinant of a minus I into modulus of a bar is equal to modulus of I minus a bar. A minus I is equal to minus determinant of a minus I. Therefore, a minus I determinant of is equal to 0. Comparing equation 4 and 9, we get lambda is equal to I. This proves the theorem. Next, Euler angles. we have seen Eulerian angle, we have seen that a rigid body with one point fixed has 3 degrees of freedom and hence 3 generalized coordinates. To describe the orientations of a rigid body about a fixed point, we use a matrix of rotation whose elements are called the direction cosines, which are not linearly independent, therefore they are not suitable as generalized coordinate, so we cannot use them in the description of the Lagrangian of the system. Therefore, 3 new independent parameters are necessary for the description of a rigid body with one point fixed. A number of point or such set of parameters have been used in the literature, but the most common and found to be useful is the set of Eulerian angles. Euler has designed uh, 3 independent parameters called the Eulerian angle to describe the orientation of a rigid body with one point fixed. This can be used to write Lagrangian and hence the Lagrange's equation of motion. We shall define the Eulerian angle and show how these angles can be used for the description of the orientations of the rigid body. Define theorem. Next theorem. Define Eulerian angle. Obtain the matrix of transformation from space coordinate to body coordinate in terms of Eulerian angle. Prove further that this matrix is orthogonal and hence deduce the matrix of inverse transformation from the body set of axes to space set of axes. Consider XYZ coordinate system. Proof. Eulerian angle phi, theta, psi are the 3 successive angles of rotation about a specified axis performed in specific sequence. These angles can be used as generalized coordinate to fix the orientation of a rigid body with one point fixed. Thus, the orientation of a rigid body with one point fixed can be completely specified by 3 independent Eulerian angles. To discuss the rotations of the rigid body, let one of the point of the body the fixed. This implies that there is no translation motion, but the body rotates about an axis passing through the fixed point. Consider 2 coordinate system, one of which in xyz fixed in space called an inertial frame and the other x dash y dash z dash fixed in the body called the body set of axes, also known as the non-inertial frame. It has been observed that the configuration of the rigid body is completely specified by the locating the body set of these relative to the coordinate axis fixed in space. This is achieved by finding the matrix of the transformation from the space set of axis to the body set of axis. Therefore, we shall carry out the transformation from space set of axis to body set of axis axis becomes xy plane. The rotation is affected by the following transformation equation: x dash x1 is equal to x cos phi plus I sin phi, y1 is equal to minus x sin phi plus y cos phi, z1 is equal to z. This equation can be written in matrix form as x1 y1 z1 is equal to d of xyz and xi is equal to dx, where d is equal to cos pi sin pi 0 minus sin pi cos pi 0 0 0 1 is the matrix of the transformations. And the second rotation is performed about the new x-axis. The axes x1 y1 z1 are rotated about x-axis counterclockwise direction by an angle theta. Let the resultant set of coordinate axes be relabeled as x2 y2 z2. Here x2 axis being the line of intersection of xy plane and x1 y1 plane is called the line of mode. The transformation equation from xy x1 y1 z1 to new set of axes x2 y2 z2 can be replaced by the following set of equation: x1 is equal to x1, y2 is equal to x2 is equal to x1, y2 is equal to y1 cos theta plus z1 cos sin theta, z1 is equal to minus y1 cos theta plus z cos theta, x2 y2 z2 c x1 y1 z1, x2 is equal to c x1, c is equal to 1 0, where c is equal to 1 0 0 0 cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta is a matrix of transformation and gives solution.